just making a couple notes here just so I have it. So what you're seeing here really is going to be the next round of generation. A lot of the stuff you're going to start probably seeing the pieces of it this year, first quarter next. 5-inch self-contained, 7-inch self-contained, 5-inch all of the same components and parts. Wi-Fi, Zigbee, E-Wave, built-in Alexa, meaning it's a smart speaker. Okay, if you enable that feature. The other cool thing, same components and parts. So the cellular card that goes in that 5-inch self-contained is the same cell card that goes in the driver. Stock all these different pieces, right? But again, that's where we're headed. So, think about some of the other things too. It's just from an economy of scale. Having one platform. It can be a self-contained, or guys who do self-contained. Now, we also do have in the same family a DIY or self-installed station, but it's professionally monitored. And it could be something that for those customers who just, I don't want your rep, I don't want anything sophisticated, I just want something, I'd like that professionally installed by a company I trust. That's going to be our self-installed model there. So we can sell and professionally monitor. The great thing about that unit though is that performance and performance also work with this. So let's say you capture that customer young and early with a renter, and as he grows and moves, you can take those components and work with this and